If you've been looking for the perfect starter home in South Scottsdale, your search is over.
Talk about prime location. You're just minutes to Old Town and Tempe with great restaurants, shopping, and entertainment. Inside, it's light, open, and comfortable with a great flow, whether you're relaxing or entertaining. The kitchen's been updated with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a gas range, tiled backsplash, and a skylight, bringing in lots of great natural light. Just down the hall are 2 secondary bedrooms and a full bathroom. One bedroom has its own private entrance, which is perfect for visitors, a home office, or flex space. This home offers a wonderful split floor plan. The primary bedroom includes a walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom, and French doors that lead you out to a lovely patio, perfect for enjoying your morning cup of coffee. French doors open to a spacious screened Arizona room, a great spot for crafts, workout area, or just to kick back and relax. The backyard is clean and low maintenance with turf and pavers, the perfect setup for kids and pets.
For more information on this adorable home or for a private showing, contact me today.